Hi, my name is Rob McKinney. I'm a Nashville trial lawyer, and welcome to this video segment on immigration law and how it affects criminal law. Today I have with me Nashville immigration attorney Sean Lewis, who's going to speak briefly with us about what is a temporary protected status. Welcome to the video, Sean.
Thank you.
Sean, what is a temporary protected status?
It's a really good question, Ron. Temporary protected status is a designation made by our government. Every 18 months, a certain country might be designated to be such a humanitarian disaster, such a bad place that our government will let people here that are out of status remain 18 months with work permission. For instance, Hurricane Mitch in Central America destroyed El Salvador. In Honduras, there were earthquakes. Our government is not going to deport people to those countries where they can't go back and live in conditions that it is right now. The thing that people don't understand with temporary protected status is 2 misdemeanors, if you plead guilty in court, even if they're later expunged, can lead to deportation and loss of temporary protected status. So for instance, your Somali taxi driver that pleads to a no driver's license and a reckless driving will then be facing deportation to Somalia, which is a real drastic consequence. And if you knew that ahead of time, you might be able to convince the DA to drop one of the 2 charges or both of them. So temporary protected status is something that you're going to want to protect and not lose, because if you're given temporary protected status, it's for a really good reason, and a simple plea of guilty in criminal court can lead to the loss of temporary protected status.
Now, Sean, I want to stop you on that one point because you talked about misdemeanors. If a person is given a Tennessee Highway Trooper traffic citation, a speeding ticket is a Class C misdemeanor. How do they look at that?
Yeah, you know, unless it's a civil violation, strictly administrative, if it's a misdemeanor, that counts. You get 2 of them for temporary protected status. If you plead to 2 of them, you get kicked out.
Okay. So if a taxi driver gets a Metro Nashville civil citation for speeding, they're okay.
Absolutely.
But if they're issued a criminal citation for speeding or reckless driving, that's not okay.
Correct. The civil violation would be the safe haven plea you're going to want to seek in criminal court.
Sean, thanks for visiting with us today and agreeing to talk about this important issue on immigration law on this video clip. I'd like to invite anybody that has a question on this topic, how it affects your criminal situation, to call Sean or myself. My number is 615-259-9009, or my website is below on this video, McKinneyLawFirm.com. Thanks for watching.